Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll see how you can install Windows 11 without internet, because in the Windows 11 you have to make sure you provide internet, then only you will be able to install Windows. But to skip that, how you can do, okay, you like when you see this particular option, so in that you just press Shift plus F10, okay, as I mentioned here, or else Shift plus function plus F10. This will help you to open CMD, okay, and once the CMD is opened, you have to type in this command. So I'll tell you how. Here you can see I've opened CMD. Now I will just type in the command OOBE and then hit enter. Okay, once you hit enter, your system will get rebooted automatically, and post that it will ask you some basic detail, and those can be set up without internet. Here my system is getting rebooted. Now here I have to provide just basic details like the username, password, and security questions, and here it's all done. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.